Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. My favorite person is my boyfriend. 1. He makes me smile even on ordinary days. He brightens my mood. 2. He listens to me. I feel heard and appreciated. 3. He makes me laugh. Free comedy show included. 4. He supports my dreams. My biggest cheerleader. 5. He encourages me. He reminds me to keep going. 6. He is kind. Kindness never goes out of style. 7. He respects me. Respect makes every relationship stronger. 8. He is patient. He stays calm when life gets busy. 9. He is honest. Trust starts with honesty. 10. He remembers little things. The small details mean a lot. 11. He makes adventure fun. Even a simple walk feels exciting. 12. He believes in me. Confidence grows with support. 13. He celebrates my wins. My happiness is his happiness. 14. He comforts me. A caring heart is priceless. 15. He is thoughtful. Sweet surprises make my day. 16. He makes boring moments fun. Waiting in line becomes entertainment. 17. He inspires me. He motivates me to be my best. 18. He accepts my silly side. No judgment for my goofy moments. 19. He shares great conversations. We can talk for hours. 20. He has a warm heart. Kindness is contagious. 21. He is dependable. I know I can count on him. 22. He brings positive energy. Good vibes are always welcome. 23. He enjoys making memories. Every moment feels special. 24. He makes me feel appreciated. Feeling valued is wonderful. 25. He respects my opinion. Different ideas brings us closer. 26. He is fun to be around. Life is never too boring. 27. He helps me stay positive. We lift each other's up. 28. He is my favorite teammate. Better together than alone. 29. He makes my heart happy. Happiness looks good in both of us. 30. He is my favorite person because he makes my life brighter, one smile at a time. My favorite person is my boyfriend, not because he is perfect, but because he brings kindness, laughter, and gladness into my life. Every happy memory together is another reason to smile. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.